Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
Peace, peace, family. Peace and love. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the guys. Peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there. We're back at it again, back to backs to backs. We got another video for you. I have another video for you. This one is entitled Squatter Refuses to Leave and Police Kick Her Door In. So we got a tenant situation here. Not even really a tenant. She's a squatter. So she just moved in on her own, decided to stay. And then, which I don't get. I don't understand how that happens, man. I don't know how somebody, if you move, can just come in your house, move in, and now you got to pay for them to move out. Or you just gonna have to learn to live with them. Like, that don't make no sense, man. Like, comment, subscribe, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know that Roman's in the house, in your mouth. Joe Jerome, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth. Like, oh, oh. I say, oh, oh, oh. Before we get to the video, always check your mentals, your emotionals, your spirituals, your spirituals, your physicals, all that, man. Make sure you right. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Let's get to this video.
2025, police were dispatched to a call of a woman squatting in a property that had been deemed unsuitable for living.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm not taking this one. I'm just going to assist the people who are. They're on their way right now. So what's going on?
Well, you know, I own the house behind me.
Yep.
Smothers. And this Tara.
Yep.
Tara,
we know who she is.
Yeah. She gave, and I didn't know who she was. She gave me, like, came to a door. I'm getting moved out of this other place, well, rightfully so.
Okay. Can you get your hand out of your pocket?
Yeah,
for
I'm
me?
sorry.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
Or do you care if I search them real quick, make sure you ain't got nothing, and then you can put them in?
Yeah, it's
okay.
I got my keys in there.
Okay. I just want to make sure you don't have nothing. You can. So that way you can put your.
I just came to the courthouse.
Yep. You're good. You're good. I know it's cold out here. You can put your hands in your pockets now, or in your jacket pockets if you don't mind.
Anyway, so they have been squatting in there for 4 months.
Okay.
No water the whole time. No water the whole time.
Yeah, I know. I was the one who called in about the no water.
Oh, okay.
Well,
and see, they, you know, they always keep on giving me a song and a dance. You know?
All right, you want those people out of the house back there?
Yeah. Just a little bit of a history. Okay. They've been there 4 months. So.
Yeah.
Well, we know they've been there. Yeah, we know they've been there.
Yeah, I already know the story.
Well, and they really are moved in a lot of stuff.
Yes.
So these people obviously do this or have been doing this.
They told us they were paying you like $400 a month to stay here.
The whole time, $480.
Whew.
No occupancy via the city, so
Is he the 4 months? Oh!
Yes.
Whoa!
Yes. Hi, Dave. Hi, Gary. Come over there to your house, too.
Yep. You know you're not supposed to be in this building, right?
I called uptown, and they said give me 2 weeks because I was getting the plumbing fixed, and I'm getting ready to give him a cashier's check. If you don't want it, that's fine, me too. A cashier's check. I just told Miss Rhodes yesterday. That's up to you.
Okay.
For this house. You said you want to sell it. Do you still want to sell it or not?
Okay. Hey, what's your name?
Tara.
Spell your last name.
S-H-E-R-R-O.
Oh, can we come in?
No, you cannot come to my house.
Okay. Is there anybody else inside?
No, there's nobody in this house right now. And I'm not in a very good mood.
Okay, well, hey, you're not going to go back in there. What's your last name?
The lady up there, because she said she was going to give me 2 weeks, and they were going to come back to the lady up at the...
What's your name?
Tim is who I talked to, the gentleman. I got a card.
I need you to spell your last name.
You don't have spell charade?
No. Spell it.
Why do you need my name?
You're in a prohibited building.
It doesn't have water. It's getting ready to have water in about an hour because it's been fixed.
Who fixed it?
I had a guy fix it. It's legal.
So this has been prohibited for over a month.
I was in the hospital. Did you not just hear me? I just got
You
to the
weren't.
hospital.
We literally saw you outside of here last week.
You
Spell
didn't
your
see
last
me.
name. Spell your last name.
Well, I might have been here twice.
Spell your last name. Spell your last name.
S-H-E-R-T. Spell it out. Excuse me. Okay.
What?
Tara Sherrod.
Because she's obstructing.
Yo, how bold do you have to be, or how much crazy do you have to be in your mind to think that you can just move into somebody's house, not pay them rent, and then argue with them about getting out for something that you ain't even paid for in the first place? Like that's you got to be outside your mind. Like that's the type of people to be like, I just won't punch in your face. That's it. You just need to be punched in the face because the entitlement you have and the right that you think you have to talk to me a certain type of way, live in a place that I don't want you to live in, and then talk down to me like I'm in the wrong for kicking you out for living for free. You just need to be punched in the head. Like that. At the end of the day, that's that's super entitlement, man. That's got to be frustrating, especially for a cop. Not even just for the cop, for the person who owns the place. Like, I don't want you here. You're not paying to be here. We've been kicked you out, but you refuse to leave. You just go in there and just yank them out at that point. Just go in the house. You got the keys, unless they change the lock. Yank them out. You know what I'm saying? Put their stuff out. Call the cops. Change the locks, and tell them to figure it out. An annoying knock too.
You don't have a key?
No, he doesn't.
Right this moment.
Open the door.
Am I under arrest?
Open the door.
I'm calling the attorney right now.
Open the door.
Am I under arrest?
Open the door.
Open the door. Am I under arrest?
If you don't tell me your name, that's obstructing identification, and you're gonna be under arrest. Open the door.
Dave knows my name. Get my name. Get it.
Open.
Back and forth.
Open.
It's prohibited. Go.
Can I kick it in?
Yeah.
Am I under arrest?
Yeah.
That's on my part.
You're under arrest.
Oh, I just got
Put your hands behind your back.
What am I
Hey,
under arrest
Superwoman.
for?
Obstructing identification.
There's just me in here and my dog. And you are. And I got bum cancer to you. Okay, look.
Lady,
What
crazy.
are you doing? This is a call for because you have my hand.
Give me your hand.
My hands were under my back. I got you on video right now, so it doesn't matter to me. Okay, you
Give me your hand.
raise your pants never, and I'm asking for
Hey, what?
Get off of me! Okay, you are. Oh, hell no! You
Give me your hand.
Oh, hell no. That's just the knee in the back.
I'm telling you right now. I am not really resisting arrest, you idiot.
She said, oh, hell no. You got your knee in my back.
To my attorney, because you didn't
I ain't
know
having
you could do that. None. That's uncalled for.
She really thinks she in the right, yo. Which
I
is
want that
crazy.
book right there. I'm gonna call. I want my book. Can you give me my book? I'm asking you. I want my phone. Can you have it right now? I'm not going anywhere. I'm under arrest for what?
Yeah, boy, she kicked that door in.
Dave, that pamphlet in there is got. I need it. Will you give it to me?
Go get my vehicle.
Keep it. Okay, I got. You guys are so fucked up. Right?
Oh, you resisting, Mom.
I did not resist nothing. I shut the door to get the paper call my attorney. You put your leg. What's your
Get in the car.
Hey, what's your
My badge number is 195. My name's
car.
Officer
Shut
Pat.
up.
Okay, that's good.
Look, this is right where they hit that. It's funny how when people get arrested, they start abandoning stuff. Give me my phone. Pick up the thing right there so I can get the thing. So you can. I need to call somebody right now. She full on living there like that's her house.
No.
Did you guys already clear this side?
No, not over there.
Somebody else in the house?
If you're inside, make yourself known. Okay, let's see. But there's a door right there.
Somebody in the basement?
Marion, please. Everybody down here, make yourselves known.
Do they know I have her 1095? I said it, but I'm not sure. They didn't respond. Huh?
What's her name? She wasn't giving it to you? She gave you like what? The last one of our guys in the basement?
Yep. Yeah, it says.
Where?
She, No. I just didn't know if they had heard me in dispatch that I have her 95.
It's prohibited. Yes. He's the property owner. No one's supposed to be in the home. You opened the door, told them to come out. No one's supposed to be at home.
I guess he subleased it to him. Or he leased it to him without official lease. I figured that would make that null.
It goes void. Right. So just go straight off the city charge. You give her a directive to exit the property.
You said he is attached.
Yeah. No, she did. I told her to trust.
Okay. Yeah. So at that point, she's criminally trespassing.
Yeah.
Obstructing. You got resisting arrest.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh no, she's good. I just didn't know if that made the lease thing void. Obviously, you can't.
Just go off the city
Can't live
charges.
there.
Yeah, go
Plain
off
and
the city. Get off. And that's why I want you to photograph the door. Go off the city.
Oh, I see what you're saying. I thought you meant where I kicked it in.
Right.
Is that your dog or is that her dog?
It is. It's the guy that is in the back room.
Jared?
Dale. Dale. A good, nice guy. And he's the one that did. And he pays $350.
Did you see the immediate date?
Yeah.
So
10:30.
that's right. So that's over a month ago.
Yeah.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest, obstructing identification, and criminal trespassing. Thanks for watching our content. If you haven't yet, please like.
Hey, man. So, dude hold on, man. Dude is leasing rooms out in a house. And so the guy in the back room is supposed to be there. He pays his rent. The other chick ain't paying her rent, and she's been living free off the other dude paying his portion. And so she's just been staying there. So they got to keep the lights on, the heat, or whatever. The water situation, I don't know. That I don't know. Has to explain itself somehow, because if it's a guy in there paying for a room, that means he got to have water, unless he's just a dirty bird and he ain't showering, or they cut the water off on her section. I don't know. It depends on how the house is set up. It's a weird situation. So she's squatting in a house that's not her house, but not really squatting because somebody lives there also. So it's like a roommate that don't want to get out. I don't know if you can consider a roommate a squatter. I don't know. But I don't know. It was kind of a weird video. She definitely needed to pay and shouldn't have went through all that just to be kicked out. You know what I mean? Like that was crazy. That was a weird little video. If you like this video or videos like these, like, comment, subscribe, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know that Rome's in the house, in your mouth. Georgia Rome in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, oh. I say, oh.